Welcome to Taipa, in New Zealand's far north, where the river meets the sea and time seems to slow down. Staying here between the river and the sea feels like the perfect balance: rest, adventure, and nature all in one place. After a long day of exploring, you come back to this Taipa Beach, wide, open, and endlessly peaceful. Soft sand, rolling waves, and a space to breathe. The kind of beach where time just slips away. Places like this remind you why Aotearoa is so special. Raw landscapes, deep calm, and moments that stay with you. Waking up here means stepping onto the balcony and looking straight out over the water. No traffic, no noise, just the river flowing by. And the best part, Taipa is perfectly placed if you are planning to explore further north. It's an ideal place to continue the journey towards Cape Reinga, the vast sand dunes, and the legendary 90-mile beach. Below us is the Taipa River, calm and classy, weaving its way through mangroves and golden banks. This river has been a lifeline for generations, peaceful, untouched, and incredibly alive. This is where we are staying, a holiday house right on the Taipa River. Mornings are slow, coffee in hand, watching the tide move in and out. Evenings are golden with the light dancing across the river. If you are heading north or simply looking to slow down, Taipa is a place worth stopping for.